Hey, what's up?
Meet Alex. He has a great job and a high salary. On the outside, he's winning. But every time Alex spends money he doesn't have, something happens. Every non essential swipe adds a brick. A new car, 5 bricks. Designer clothes, 2 bricks. Slowly, an invisible wall is rising. Alex is still moving, but he's running out of space. Behind him is the debt monster. It feeds on high interest. Alex tries to run, but the monster is heavy, and the wall in front is now 10 feet high. He's trapped in a high salary cage. To break out, Alex needs the Debt Snowball Blueprint. He stops trying to move the whole wall at once. Instead, he puts every extra dollar into his smallest debt first, while paying the minimum on the rest. One small win creates momentum. As the first debt vanishes, that money is added to the next one. The snowball becomes a boulder. Crash! The invisible wall shatters. The monster is gone. The path is clear. Alex still has the high salary, but now he actually owns it. Wealth isn't about what you earn, it's about what you keep. Are you hitting an invisible wall? Download our debt snowball tracker in the description. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth to break free.